Lesson 101, US English. Hello, and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to learn about American English, including its pronunciation, spelling, vocabulary, and some words that may have different meanings in British and American English. A. English in the USA. English spoken in the United States differs from British English in several ways. The most noticeable difference is usually pronunciation, but there are also differences in vocabulary, spelling, and sometimes grammar. For example, Americans usually say the fall, while British speakers say autumn. American speakers commonly say on the weekend, while British speakers generally prefer at the weekend. Despite these differences, British and American speakers normally have little difficulty understanding each other. B. American English spelling. American English spelling is often simpler than British English spelling. Many British words ending in "r" are written with "or" in American English. For example, British color becomes American color. British words ending in "re" often end in "er" in American English. For example, British center becomes American center. Many British verbs ending in "i's" are written with "i's" in American English. For example, British realize becomes American realize. Some individual words also have different spellings. British jewelry is written jewelry in American English. C. Travel and street vocabulary. American and British speakers often use different words for transport and street-related objects. American gas or gasoline is called petrol in British English. An American truck is a British lorry. Americans often say baggage, while British speakers commonly say luggage. However, baggage is also used in Britain, particularly when talking about air travel. An American sidewalk is a British pavement. An American crosswalk is a British zebra crossing. A line in American English is a queue in British English. An American vacation is a British holiday. A parking lot in the United States is a car park in Britain. The trunk of a car in American English is called the boot in British English. The hood of a car is called the bonnet in Britain. An American freeway, or interstate, is generally called a motorway in British English. A one-way trip in American English is a single journey in British English. A round trip is called a return journey in British English. An American railway car is a British railway carriage. The American subway is called the underground in British English. Vocabulary used in the home. There are also many differences in household vocabulary. American garbage or trash is called rubbish in British English. An American elevator is a British lift. An American eraser is called a rubber in British English. An American apartment is a British flat. An American closet is normally called a wardrobe in Britain. A yard in American English is usually called a garden in British English. American drapes are British curtains. An American flashlight is a British torch. American French fries are called chips in British English. American Scotch tape is called sellotape in British English. An American cookie is a British biscuit. American candy is called sweets in British English. An American bathroom, or restroom, is usually called the toilet, or WC, in British English. The expression washroom is also commonly used in Canada. An American diaper is a British nappy. American pantyhose are called tights in British English. Language help, pronunciation. American and British pronunciations are often different, even when the spelling and meaning of a word are the same. It is useful to listen to both varieties, so that you can recognize them easily. British and American pronunciations can be heard in learner dictionaries that provide audio examples. D. Words with different meanings. Some words can cause confusion because they have different meanings in American and British English. In American English, a check is the written document used to pay money. In British English, it is spelled check. However, the British word bill is often used for the amount that must be paid in a restaurant or cafe. In American English, a vest is a sleeveless item worn over a shirt. In British English, the same item is called a waistcoat. The British word vest refers to an undershirt in American English. American underpants may simply be called pants in British English. However, American pants are called trousers in British English. The word bill in American English can mean a banknote. In British English, this is called a note. The word floor is also used differently when describing levels in a building. The British ground floor is called the first floor in American English. The British first floor is the American second floor, and the British second floor is the American third floor. Both American and British speakers can say wash the dishes. However, British speakers also commonly say wash up to mean washing plates, cups, and other kitchen items. In American English, wash up usually means washing your hands. British speakers normally say wash your hands.